All right, welcome to cabin 6386 on the Independence of the Seas. Let me give you a quick room tour of our cabin. This is a balcony cabin here on the ship, so let's go. Alright, so when you first walk into the cabin, you will notice that there is the safety information on the back of the door. It does tell you about the life jackets and how to put those on, what the emergency alarm is, and it'll tell you where your muster station is. And we are on deck 4, D23 for the muster station. Also, on the back of the door, you will have a magnet that you can just put on the door when you want it to say do not disturb. You just put this on your door on the outside and the cabin steward will know not to come in. There is a peephole. It looks like it's missing the cover. And this is one of the things that I was talking about sometimes on older ships that happens. Sometimes people just put something over it to cover it. And once you go a little bit further, you will see this is the light switch. And this controls the lights in the entryway of the cabin. You do have 2 hooks here that you can hang maybe your book bags or purses on, hats, and then there is the thermostat, which is very simple to use. Cooler on the left, warmer on the right, and then in the center if you want to turn that off. Right across from the bathroom, we will go to the closet. So this closet is, well, I will say it's one of the more decent sized closets I've seen. And the thing I like about this closet a little bit better than the other ones is because the shelves aren't like already sectioned. You will have shelves over here, but I like how they give you this where you can actually drop down and hang pants or whatever, and there's nothing below it. So it does give you more room to put your luggage instead of having to slide it underneath the bed. So I really like that. If you need any laundry done, you can have it done here. You just put your laundry in this and make sure your cabin steward takes it. Just mark whatever you need, and then make sure they take it. And then I like how they have a little tuck away for your life jacket, so you get the maximum space out of this closet. You also have a safe here, and this one looks to be a little worn, so I don't know if we would actually lock this safe, but yeah, this is a safe just in case you need it. And next we'll go into the bathroom. Right, and going into the bathroom, you will see is the standard cruise ship bathroom. You do have your sink here with 2 glasses and your mirrors, and this mirror does, if I'm not mistaken, open, and it does. Okay, so you have some shelving there, and then you have your standard towel bars, a towel rack above, your toilet here, and then you have the capsule shower. All right, and then we have the capsule shower. You do have 4 hooks behind the door, and it is a step up, and there will be a sign that says watch your step. So as you can see here, just watch your step. All right, moving a little bit further into the cabin, you do have a desk here with a vanity. There is an announcement channel that you can turn the announcements on and off. And then there are some drawers here. One has a hair dryer. You do have a full chair, which I absolutely love. This is the light switch, and it does turn on the vanity. You have these little hidden compartments here for storage, a TV, and a mini fridge, okay, or cooler. You do have a couch that turns into a bed here, as well as a coffee table. There is a small divider, not a full one, but if you do want to have that space and separation, you can have it here. You do have a nightstand here with your telephone, and another switch that controls the lights in the cabins. And this one is a night light here. Now this is the bed is made into a double bed, but we'll have to have those separated. Another nightstand on that side, and then there is a balcony. Right, and as you can see, this is a nice size balcony. I really like this. It has 2 chairs here and a table, and as you can see, this is our seat. All right, so this is a tour of our cabin here on the Independence of the Seas. If you ever want to book your cabin here on the Independence of the Seas, please reach out to me, Siobhan at On The Go Travel. My email will be listed below, parkersonthego16@gmail.com, and I can help you get booked on your next cruise adventure. Until next time, Parker's out. Ready for a travel experience that's truly elevated? Reach out to Siobhan at wanderkeep.com or just scan the QR code and let's start planning your next unforgettable journey, because your journey deserves to be elevated.
Hey, you, come hang with us on Instagram or Facebook. The link is in the description below, and we're Parkers on the Go everywhere. Come on, let's go.